Well, good morning and welcome to Dynodaze, and today we've got this EP3 Civic in the house for a map. Richard's using a K100 board to map it this morning. It's got some nice bits. We'll go through the spec at the very end of the video, so stick around till then. But we're going to do a standard power run and see what we've got to play with today. Okay, so initial power run done, Richard, and whilst it's made 234 brake, it's relatively lean at the start of the graph there.
Yeah, I think that this it's a K100 board in the ECU, so it's been previously tuned on another vehicle. Obviously, the customer's bought it, and then obviously it's here today for us to map. Very lean up to the Vtec changeover, sort of into the 16s, which is obviously quite dangerous. And obviously, again, when it goes into the top end of things, it's a little bit on the rich side. So whilst we may not make power today, in the sense of...
It will be tuned.
Yeah, it will be tuned. So, we may see decreases in power in certain spots, and we may see increases of power in others, obviously to setting that fueling up and obviously putting our own timing tables and everything in there. But like I say, we may see a decrease. We could possibly see a decrease in power.
But this is what's true. I mean, there's no point it being more powerful if it's lean as piss.
Well, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, well, here we go. Well, first job of the day complete.
It's Friday.
Oh yeah, it's Friday. What's that mean? Does that mean you don't get tomorrow off?
Well, for most people, it's the end of the week, isn't it?
It's not the end of our week though, is it?
No, got a bit to do tomorrow, but no extra unit work tomorrow.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I think we'll be out on time. Ooh. And I'll be going and picking up my mystery project.
Mystery project. Code word in this video: mystery project.
So I'm going to pick that up tomorrow, and I think me and you are going to sort of finish the video off for it Sunday, I believe, and then we'll get that up next week, or maybe even Sunday. We might have a bonus video for you on Sunday. Ooh. Depends how Dan gets on with the editing.
I like finishing you off.
Cheers, mate.
Disgusting myself.
Yeah.
Right,
I enjoy it.
I know. I know. Right, so EP3 Civic, and it's coming today. It's already been modified. Grab the board. Where's the form gone?
It is, I mean.
Because it's got some modifications, so we shall talk about those. So it has
come back
got.
with your sheet.
Thanks, mate. What's that say?
Well, it says K100.
No, that says K100. What's that say? So it's got a 70mm throttle body. It's got a JDM intake. It's got a jack speed manifold and exhaust. It's got a Tegger exhaust. It's got a stage 1 clutch and flywheel. Okay, so it is modified.
Yeah, not a massive amount of this, but good mods nonetheless. Good mods on standard inlet manifold. Yes, I think all went really, really well there. I think we...
It came in tuned.
It came in tuned on K100, but tuned for another car.
Yeah.
Or was it?
Is that right?
Is that right?
No, it's tuned for this car.
Was it tuned for this car?
Tuned for this
okay,
car.
well the fueling was quite a way out.
It was mapped previously at a company that no longer exists, so let's...
We'll leave that there.
We'll leave that there.
Yeah, but yeah, sort of 15, 16 AFR on the way in up to Vtec, and then a 12.5 after. 12.5 in itself is not a major problem, possibly a little bit rich in my opinion, but you know, wouldn't have affected anything. Just dulled off a little bit. Still made the power, so it didn't really dull any power off or whatever in that instance, but it was okay. So we've just tuned it, you know, accordingly. We've obviously gone through and tuned the fueling. We've obviously put one of our files on and completely eradicated their file completely.
Eradicated.
Because we don't know obviously what they were using, and we probably could have read the file off, but I just didn't even bother. Just just started again, run through it. Typically as the K100 is, you know, you've got to put a K Pro board in there, write it, and obviously write it for a K100 and then put the K100 board in there. A little bit of a pain sometimes.
Get bored of that task, don't you?
Yeah, sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain because obviously
prefer the K Pro stuff.
Well, K Pro because obviously once you're writing and you're done, it's done, isn't it? You haven't got to start swapping boards back over. So obviously you got to swap boards back, and then you need to do a pull just to double check that everything's okay. And if it hasn't written properly or there's a problem, then you got to swap it back and then start again. And it can be a bit of a pain. So we did have a bit of to and fro with this a couple of times this morning to get the file downloaded on the ECU and sorted, but it's done now.
Yes, and once it was on there, it made some good power. Well, it made, obviously, because now it's tuned, it's finished on a good figure. We made a little bit of power down low because the fuel was quite off. So we made a little bit of power down low, and then it didn't half drop some bombs, mate.
Yeah, we made a little tiny bit of wheel horsepower. We probably lost a couple of brake on top end and things like that, but then that's down to correction figures and temperatures and stuff like that. So I would imagine that, you know, it's okay, but ultimately the fuel is correct.
Yeah, it's tuned properly now.
Yeah, it's tuned properly.
That's the big reward. And it did make some flames that I was quite happy with.
Yeah, it did.
Just as the next customer turned up in his lovely red FNT, which will be the video following this one, I would imagine.
Yeah, it'll be lovely. Let's have a look at the graph.
Do you have a look at the graph?
Go on then.
Go on, let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Like I say, top end's pretty much the same, little bit of power down low, but tuned properly. And we finish on 232 brake horsepower, just shy of 200 at the wheels. And as you can see, it's just a little bit of gain at the wheels, but correction figures have given us a little bit less on the brake horsepower side of things. But, yeah, splendid. It's actually mapped correctly now, which is a plus point. Thank you, Richard.
No, thank you.
No, honestly,
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 thank
I
you.
won't have it said. Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, honestly, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thanks for coming. What?
Are we refraining from the end of that?
I'm not going into that.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you on the next one, guys. And don't forget the code word for this video was. No, I've forgotten it.
No, you forgot.
What did I say the code? You guys know, I've already said it.
Yeah.
Drop that below. And if I can't remember, we'll just say Uncle Keith's Paint Shop, won't we, for the next 3 years. Okay, right, see you all on the next one, guys. Won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.